Major cryptocurrencies having a bit of a rough week heading into September. Bitcoin down about 7% this week, trading near 108,000. Ethereum down by double digits in that time, despite starting the week hitting a record near 5,000. Okay, so the markets went down a little bit today. What do you make of crypto's slide this week?
Crypto is correlated. It used to be uncorrelated to the overall markets. Now it's correlated. So if we think that September is going to be a weaker month for the markets, crypto is getting ahead of that. And also, when you look at it, if the VIX is going to shoot up, possibly, and Mike could comment on this, if the VIX is going to shoot up in September, Bitcoin and Ethereum should probably sell off. Seasonality is a weak time of year for both of the top cryptocurrencies. But let's remember one thing, you touched on it. Ethereum hit a record high. Bitcoin hit a record high recently.
Yeah.
I did flip out of my Bitcoin exposure, and I'm in ETH now. And for me, I think you're going to see a real fast push in the last 2 months of the year, where these both can go much higher. Percentage basis, Ethereum will move more.
Mike, got a hot take on the relationship between options, Bitcoin, or anything else?
Well, I mean, I'm on the record for the last couple of years as being positive on the crypto space. Bitcoin for the last couple of years, and Ethereum more recently. Obviously, its association with stable coins is going to be important. Look, a bit of a pullback is to be expected after the big run that we've had. And to Steve's point, as you go into a higher volatility period, you know, this show is called Fast Money. The actors that are in the Bitcoin crypto space are going to be amongst the fastest market participants there are, and it's very high beta. So if you're anticipating an uptick in volatility, you would necessarily then also believe that this is an area where that volatility would be even greater, and it very likely will be. But overall, I still think that the fundamentals remain intact, both for Bitcoin and for Ethereum. And so I rather think of these as a little bit of an opportunity, although the short-term technicals don't look so hot right now.